Will this tiny little Japanese mini truck that weighs approximately 1,500 pounds be able to pull this boat? We're gonna rewind to an earlier point of this week. I really wanted to go fishing, but my truck was being serviced, so we were kind of in a pickle. I had nothing to tow my boat to the boat launch. Can I use your car to tow the boat so I can go fishing?
I'm using my car today.
So no?
No.
So, after being left with zero options, I had to make do with what I had. I really had no other options other than to call in the big guns. This is Mike. Mike is a YouTuber who builds some crazy stuff, and he's gonna help me take this little truck and tow that boat, and we're gonna make it happen. And I would really appreciate if you guys went and subscribed to his channel. Will this tiny little Japanese mini truck that weighs approximately 1,500 pounds be able to pull this boat?
No way. No way. I don't know, dude. There's no way.
It doesn't even squat that much. Hey, be careful with brakes. You might just skid. Hit the brakes. Oh, we're good.
Bro.
We're good.